I don't know lah, guys. I really don't know what happened. I got cut off already now. I go and check the video. Even my wife came in and tell me, "Hey, you no longer streaming." I was like, "What? No, it's just streaming here." Basically, I was talking to myself for like 2 minutes. Ayo. Okay, let me just make sure this time I'm streaming or not. Yeah, it seems that we are. It seems that I'm streaming now. Okay, okay. Hope for the best. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay. Where will we? Ayo. Okay, never mind. We just continue here now. So basically, this is the highest point. Okay, and then which is the line that created the highest point in the market? Basically, this one, right? Okay, so that's the reason why I drew this line. Even though price breaks below this, I know straight away going to be like, oh, price breaks below. Okay, bearish candle, enter, sell, 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 sell. Let's go back to 80,000. Confirm my die. Okay, market, especially those market makers, okay, I got shared this before. So for those that, hi teacher, welcome back. Hello, welcome back also to you. Sometimes we cannot control things. You see, like Bitcoin drop, my internet suddenly disconnect. Well, disconnected just now, I guess. Yes, you guess correct. You guess 100% correct. The line did disconnect. See, you can predict this also, and you can predict the future. Okay, you're a trader already. Congratulations to you. Alright, so continuing this out. Okay, so the moment you see price breaks this below, okay, we cannot simply just enter. Wait for our own POI, and then we have to understand what is the market structure telling us. Are we going to see a bearish move down? Or is this just potentially to catch people to actually go in eagerly to place some? Okay, there are many people like that, okay? And many people just the moment they see this, they want to enter some. Maybe see this, okay, enter some. Another candle, okay, enter some. There are many people that do this. And those market makers know. So they like to trap all of these people in and then suddenly bring in a big candle. Okay, and then most probably there's a high chance this candle go into here, takes everybody out. And then maybe it will continue to go down. Or maybe it will continue to go up. There's still chance. Okay? Because right, also when I did some reading today about the fundamental side, okay, I realized there are still many people that look at Bitcoin and see very high potential that the market will move up. One of those people is actually including myself. I still feel that Bitcoin will eventually be moving towards the upside. I don't really believe that is something that would change the overall market structure, but I could be wrong. Okay, we are never 100% sure in anything, especially related to trading. Okay, and that's fine. That's fine. We don't have to be 100% correct all the time. That's okay. But the way how I make sure if what I'm saying is what I'm saying is I will wait until price comes to hit my personal POI, basically my point of interest, and I want to wait and see what is price telling me then. Especially not only on one time frame, I will do multiple time frame analysis, and then I will see what is price doing, what is price telling me, how is price reacting. Am I seeing bulls in the market or am I seeing bears in the market? And these bulls and bears also they are different. Okay, you need to know who is the bull and who is the bear. The bulls are actually the people that has power to push the market, or they're just very small power. The volume is not that powerful. They don't really have much momentum, and then suddenly if I see bears come in, okay, overall we did break structure. Okay, let's say after that when it comes to the POI, I see bears coming in and I'm seeing very strong volume of bears. This potentially will tell me that we may be seeing a bearish move down, but it's too early for me to say right now. Because why? We not really reached our mitigation area yet also, or even a POI zone that I will be interested in to trade now. Okay, but all of these I will be sharing directly into our exclusive Discord community. Okay, so for those that want to be a part of it, we would love to have you there, guys. Really, we would love to have you there. It's 100% free to join. The link is in the description. All you have to do is tap on the link, and you will be directed into that group. Okay, so now let's go into some analysis, guys. We already talked about why Bitcoin dropped. Okay, unfortunately, you guys have to see part one live if you missed it. I'm sorry, I didn't know the line would they get disconnected. Okay, so after the drop down, we will see a push up lah. Okay, why? If you want to ask me, why gonna there's a push up? Why we cannot just keep dropping down? Because this is not how market moves. Okay, market only knows how to move in an impulse move down. We will see a corrective wave, basically a sideways, not sideways, pullback. Okay, impulse, pullback, impulse. You know the next one is a pullback. Okay, impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse pullback. This impulse, right, is basically that move. Okay, there's 7,000 plus pips move down today until below 98K. This is the impulse move. Okay, so after impulse move, price will have a pullback. What are we seeing now, guys? Let me draw it out for you, then maybe it'll be easier for you to see. Tom, what do you see? Can you see now? Let me make it thicker. Can you see now? Can you see the similarity? This is basically what's happening. This is market structure. Okay, it is so powerful, it is so important, and to be honest, it is the fundamental of every trading strategy that you can find. Based on my personal years of experience in trading, it is so powerful, guys. Really, if you are not under, taking the time to learn and understand market structure, you are missing out on a lot. Trust me, really a lot. Okay, so today again, I unfortunately I saw this opportunity. Okay, but I didn't manage to send this in our Discord community today because again, Chinese New Year is very nearby. So for those that join and whoever is celebrating, okay, happy Chinese New Year to you. Okay, I really wish you a prosperous year, and I wish that you have an amazing, wonderful celebration with your family and friends. Okay, so I also went last minute like this Chinese New Year shopping, and also because I celebrate, and also watch my car. So I was quite busy lah today. But I saw this opportunity. Basically, what I saw, if you guys are wondering, okay. So I saw market basically came in, okay, M5. I saw this basically the M5, okay. Basically, I saw market came in and took out all of this liquidity resting here. Okay, all of this is liquidity. Based on my trading strategy, okay, this is not the typical trend line. Okay, kind of, but not really. But based on my strategy, this is what works. Okay, all of this liquidity price has taken out, and the price is I see like not really a very strong reaction at what I typically like to see, but it is a reaction nevertheless. Okay, and then also I already checked this is my mitigation area, and I saw price react to it. So this would potentially be my entry after price close once I see a bullish candle up, and this would be my ideal SL. Basically, stop loss for those who don't know, below the lowest price that is the closest one. Okay. Okay, this is a 3R. Basically, I always go 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending on how I see the market, and this would have been an amazing trade. Okay, very straightforward, very simple trade. I do this all the time. I never change my strategy. I just do the same thing over and over and over again. Okay, actually, this is too thick. I cannot see you. Actually, just keep it at 10. Yeah, red is only this 10. Too light. Okay, red maybe 20. Okay, so you see? Yeah, this is basically the trend. So what I realized from here is that bulls are actually in power. It's actually bulls. Ooh, sorry. Bulls are currently in power, guys. Okay. So what does that mean if bulls are in power? Bulls are in power means the market will be moving to the upside. That's why we are still seeing a move up. Okay. So usually I tend to see New York session go against whichever is actually leading the market at this point of time. But surprisingly today, right, when the market opened at 10:30, there's not much of a strong movement. You see, it's just I mean there is like you see it did move all the way up. Okay, basically buyers managed to push price all the way up here, and then sellers manage to push price all the way down here, but eventually they close in the middle. Not really middle, but close here lah. Okay, so not really significant. There's no direction. Okay, buyers or sellers didn't really win here. Then we're seeing a strong move to the upside. So usually, if bulls are inside London, usually I would tend to see bears in New York. Usually lah. If I see bears in London, I tend to see bulls in New York. But it's not always the case. Okay, guys, do not use this as a how to say to mark out your predictions. To be like, oh, gonna say if this one is bull, confirm this is bear. No such thing as confirm. Huh? Be very careful, guys. Okay, there's nothing confirm in trading. Later I will show you guys what I mean by that. Okay, very important for you guys to know. Even here is alright, guys. Okay, based on this line. Okay, better I change a bit. I want this template. Give me a moment. Can I this one? Yep, this is H1. Yep. Oh, forgot. I change this to black. Text change to black also. Save template, save as H1. Yep. Override. Yep. Alright. Okay. So basically, this is what we're saying is a sweep of liquidity in H1. Alright. And we're seeing price react. Okay. Okay, let me see guys, if this could have been a potential entry. One moment. Yeah, guys, this would have been a potential entry lah. Okay, basically here. This would have been mitigation. This would have been mitigation. Also, we missed out. Actually, my plan today was when I'm doing the live, right? I wanted to find some sort of entry for you guys lah. Okay, but apparently this one is a little bit missed out already lah. But the reaction I'm not seeing that strong for what I want to see. And then also you have to be careful because right now, right, the time is around 11:40 or almost 12 already. Okay, so volume tend to slow down, and then later on early in the morning, like 3, 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. That's the time when volume start to come in strong again. Okay, when volume start to slow down, just be careful. Okay, because market don't really have that power to push price down in the direction that we are predicting. Okay, but like if let's say this is earlier a bit down, this would have been my entry when I see price come in. This would have been my stop loss. Safe TP, guys, this would be the safest TP, and this would be a very good one because why is 1 to 4, but my TP usually will be roughly around 1 to 3, so about okay, roughly here. Okay, so this would have been my TP. So I'm just gonna leave this here while I go and explain further about what we predicted yesterday, okay, and how the market actually went totally different, okay, because like I said, especially inside of that live session, nothing in trading is 100%, okay, and for those that are asking me, right, since you predict right the market potentially will be coming to here, okay, but right now I think it will come until here or even here, okay, if it's moving down, okay, even if you're asking now, why Guna you don't enter right now? If you ask old Guna last time when I just started trading this question, old Guna will just enter here. Old Guna wouldn't care. Old Guna will put the SL here, same, roughly here, same. Okay, sometimes no SL, which is insane. Okay, old Guna don't mind taking just that less than 1 to 1. Old Guna just want to see money. Yeah, see, even if I go until here, guys, not even 1 to 5, 1 to 1.5. This is 1 to 1.3, which is not bad, to be honest. You can still get a 1 to 1 on this trade, okay, if you were to enter right now, potentially only that. Huh? But then, what does this does, right? If I still do it in nowadays lah, okay, especially after years of what I've been through lah, basically I'm going against my strict rules and I'm training myself again to don't listen to whatever I said to that who actually make me successful today lah. Okay, as traders you have to remember you have to set up your own set of rules. You be disciplined lah basically. Okay, and truly understand what is more important. Is it rushing price and chasing price, on making sure that you abide by your own SOPs that you set. If you follow your own SOPs, you follow your rules, okay, you're very disciplined with yourself, money will come. Trust me, I never really understood this concept, but when I tried and I focused, okay, I sacrificed, I really put in the time, and I make sure that I abide by all of my rules, money did come. Okay, I never went looking for it anymore, but money came looking for me. Okay, that will happen for you. You just have to be genuinely disciplined with yourself, and especially with your set of rules. Even though I predict, yes, price came into mitigation, there was a nice reaction, and I also now I'm seeing potentially bears are coming into the market. Okay, not really that powerful because, like I said, roughly around this time, market gets in a little bit of an awkward stage whereby it's from power suddenly become not much power, and then later we have some power again. Okay, yeah, but still, for me, priority is if I'm able to capture it here, I would have entered. If markets start to move here already, I don't care anymore. I'm okay. Today, consider I never take any trades at all because I missed out on this one. Okay, and then now apparently I missed out on this one also. Yeah, but it's okay. I don't mind. Really, I just don't mind. Because right now for me, priority is focusing on following my own set of SOPs and my own set of rules. Okay, but for those that planning to enter this, I would not recommend now because it's a bit late if you go to enter. Okay, and also during this time is what time it came into mitigation. See, already 11:25, guys. So it's a market is already a bit slow. Not necessarily it won't go to this TP zone or anything. I'm not saying that, but again, this is just predictions. Okay, so far I'm seeing price is moving quite okay, but not that fast now. And cannot really think, cannot really how to say, cannot really predict much or so like the big move down. Okay, please take care, teacher. No worries, no worries, everything is okay. Okay, so guys, now I want to show you guys the prediction that I gave into our Discord community and in our live session yesterday. Give me one moment, guys. Let me go and get the screenshot for you. Okay, Discord, Discord. You guys enjoy the music first, huh? Okay, guys. Shut up. See this, I will give full transparency with you guys. Okay, being a trader doesn't mean you have to be 100% right all the time. Okay, so see, gunakan trend. Basically, this is our Discord group. Okay, okay. See, today at 12:44 a.m. Guys, here is my prediction of where I think BTC may be heading to. Just keep an eye out on how price will react if price comes to the golden line I drew here. It's a bit difficult to see. I'm so sorry because it's a bit small. Let me try and see if I can enlarge it as much as possible. Okay, let me check if you guys can see that. I think maybe you guys can see the bit line. Basically, it's this golden line here. Okay, there's a number 104587. Okay, in my live session yesterday, there's a reason why I draw that golden line. Okay, this is basically my safety net. That's an easy way to think about it, guys. Okay, so what I mean by my safety net, right, is basically like uh, for me, right, I don't react straight away when price shows me something. Okay, like for example, remember I show you guys the example for this. if you're seeing, right? Okay. Oh, sorry. This goes down. Okay. We understand what? This is the highest point, okay, that was created in the market so far. And this was the line that created it. Correct? This now only this example went through. For those that just joined, I'm sorry, the example was actually in the previous live. And not yesterday or anything, just now. Suddenly my internet got some issue. So that's why this is part 2. If breaks here, I'm not sure we're going for a sell, guys. This is not me. Okay. I basically what I do, I like to place in safety nets. So basically, this is my safety net. For example, so I like to wait and see price. If comes into my safety net, okay, I want to see a reaction towards the downside. So if I see price is reacting something like this, then I will enter for my sell here, and then potentially price may be moving down, but I'm not saying it will. But I know certain things to look at. I know what should I wait for. Basically, my style of trading, okay, is I am a fisherman, okay. So I will set the bait for price to come in. Basically, take it up. I treat price as a fish that I'm very interested to catch, okay. So once I set my bait here, I will wait for price to come there. If price takes my bait, okay, and he likes it, okay, price will move in certain ways that I want to see price move. Okay, why is this open? Okay, but let's say if price doesn't like my bid, then what happens? Then potentially price can do this. Yeah, price can come up, and then price can come here, and then price can fly, which is what happened now. Sorry, this is very bad drawing of market structure. Okay, this can happen also. That is why I personally am a reaction trader. So I also shared the outcome inside of our group. I will share that with you guys also. All transparency here. That is what I want, right? I want to build a trading community of genuine traders, okay? Not traders just post things to flash online. It used to be me last time. No more. I realized I never benefit anybody. Made me look like a douchebag. Okay, show you guys. Show you guys. That's it. Today at 1:13 p.m. guys. I was basically at lunch, okay? And then I saw how it become more. And I was so like, wow. So go afternoon traders. See guys, this is why I always remind you guys, especially my live session, that no matter what we analyze, it's never 100%. This is something I strongly stand by. Okay, there is a reason why when we want to enter a trade, there is always two things when we enter: SL, PP. If there is no risk, there's no point for us to set our stop loss. Okay, there's always risk. Even when I gave this analysis right in my live session yesterday, you guys can go and watch it if you want. Okay, I clearly mentioned also, will price exactly move this way? I mentioned no. That's why we have to wait and see how price reacts on that golden line. Basically, my beat. Okay. That is why, after years of experience, I learned the power of being a reaction trader. That is who I am. I'm a reaction trader. So when price comes to my POI and I see certain things that I want to see based on my trading strategy, only then will I enter the trade. Or not means I'll forget about it. I will wait for the next one. Like today, you see, I never take any trades at all today. I don't mind. I'm totally fine. Last time I cannot. Last time I need to take a trade every single day. Then only I feel like I'm doing something. Then only I feel like I'm a trader. That actually, I would say, distance myself from actually being a trader so much more compared to when I just trade when price comes into what I want to see. And to be honest, every day got. Okay, every day got. It's just I depend on myself, like if I'm able to capture it at the right time. That's all. Okay, because of course all of us have life, right? All of us have certain things to do. Like me, see, I had to wash my car today. Last minute, see my shopping. Okay, yesterday so I had certain things to do. We all have things to do. We are all busy. Okay, just your busy may be different from mine, but you're not busy or I'm more busy. No such thing. Okay, we all have things to do. I understand that. We're all human, right? It's fine. Okay, that's why don't stress yourself too much. If you are maybe you're a new trader, you're just starting out, and then you feel like, are you? I cannot enter one trade as well. I'm not seeing anything. It is okay. Trust me, it is okay. If you have the mindset that you have to enter a trade every single day, that will kill you in the long run. Trust me. Alright? Train yourself to be okay with not taking a trade. Train yourself to be okay with not pressing any of those buttons for a single day, and be happy just watching the chart. I genuinely every day excited to see how the market is moving. Not because I want to see if I got any opportunity to enter the market or not. Not anymore. But I just want to see what is going on. Because I love trading so much. I love how the chart looks like. So beautiful to me. Okay, and I hope you feel the same way with trading. Because that will what bring you to more and more and more success. Okay? So continue here, website. Okay, a reaction trader, that's what I am. And I will only react once I see price move according to my predictions, once it has arrived to my POI. This is what I mentioned in my live. So you guys can watch. If you guys want proof, just watch the live yesterday. I'm so thankful to not have entered this trade because of the set of rules I've established for myself, which you guys as traders should too. Your success is very close, guys. Just keep learning and join the live session to ask as many questions as you like, and you will get there sooner than you think. Okay, guys. Whatever I share in my live session, you see the entry it is going down. But right now, right, if I were to enter this trade, yeah, I would have set my break even here. Okay, so this would have been a risk-free trade. Do I feel sad I never entered this trade? No, not at all. Why I don't feel sad? Okay, this is not me purposely saying to show off or like to show you guys that I'm very pro. No more. Last time I used to be that person where I want to post all of my success, all of my withdrawal, all of my luxury stuff, all the things I do. All. Then I reflect on myself after I actually got not COVID, but I kind of how to say the doctor not predicted not expect also how do I say that what's the word like they think I got it but they're not 100% sure if I got it. Okay, suspect suspect suspected I got COVID, and then I realized then I had to stay at home, then I couldn't really post anything for quite some time on my social media. I realized how addicted I am just to showing my life story and all. And then after that I realized how a douchebag like basically I was. So then I stopped everything. No more. Okay. So I just want to be genuine. There's a reason why I always say I want to build genuine traders. Traders who are genuinely here because they love trading. If you love trading, trust me, you and me have so much in common. I truly love trading so much. Okay. I will definitely do whatever I can to make sure that you become the trader that you always want to be. Okay. Always try whatever you guys want to achieve in the environment you put yourself in. It is so important. You can be a very luxurious car, a Bugatti, Ferrari, Lamborghini, whatever, Porsche. You can be a very luxurious car. But if you are not in the correct environment, no one will see the value of what you truly are. Okay? That is why this Discord community where I'm building with genuine traders, the reason why is because I want you guys to be able to be in a community with traders, people who genuinely want to help out each other. Okay, I know I will be there. I will be helping you guys out. Okay, all these live sessions, all of my own sessions that I have personally, which I do in my Discord, exclusive on my Discord channel only. I do not do that live. That won't be good. Really go in depth certain things on. Okay, because I only want to give my time to people that genuinely want to become traders, genuinely love trading. Okay, in this Discord community also there is full transparency. Everything is how to say documented because they have timestamps of whenever we send all of those stuff. Okay, so again, guys, to join is 100% free. The link is in the description. Please do join. I would love to speak with you guys. I would love to see your own predictions and what you think about the market. Because as much as you think you can learn from me, same thing I think I can learn from you. Okay, it's always a two-way street. Okay, guys. So basically, that's pretty much it lah. I don't really have much to say today because I want to speak about the elephant in the room, which is why Bitcoin dropped so much. Okay, maybe you guys are worried for those that are traders. Okay, I won't say this is something to be very worried about because everything basically is an opportunity lah for traders. Okay, because we can buy and sell. If it's going down, basically sell. If it's going up, basically buy. But always find out who is in control. Okay, this one also the reason why I say this would have been my entry. Okay, it's because I kind of understand who is in control. If you rewind this live stream, I'm not sure if it's in this one or part one. I'm so sorry because I don't know when the live stream got cut off. Okay, but I said usually when London bulls are in power, I tend to see bears in power in New York. Look at what we are looking at right now. Okay, this is not me just guessing. This is just years of experience in the market. This is just countless of hours of backtesting. Okay, that is what I'm able to see. Why I'm able to just you see just a few lines I draw and then I can trade. I don't have to put in so many indicators or because I like my charts clean. Personally lah. You guys can put indicators if you feel trading indicators is something that you feel comfortable with, right? You can because they are really powerful indicators. Trust me, there is. We also have them. Okay? Really powerful ones. But when I'm teaching you guys and all right, I like my charts very clean. Because if it's very messy, I think very difficult for you guys to see that. Even these colors also sometimes I feel a bit messy. See now you guys can see more clear. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So you see guys price is already nearby already lah. If price comes into this zone, right, this basically will be my first TP. So when this happens, right, I will take out partials out and I will drag myself even lower and I will let the trade run over. Okay, this will where if price never react back towards the upside from here, price definitely will be, you guys can get is crazy guys. Again disconnected. I'm not sure guys. I'm so sorry. Reconnection successful. I gotta check this out if I'm still live or not. I have to make sure guys. Let me see. Wait. Okay, I think I am. I think I am. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I am. I am. Because it's a bit delay. Whatever I'm saying to you guys, right? It's like roughly like few seconds delay. Okay. I think I better end first. I don't know why my internet problem. Okay, I'm not so sure why. Okay. But guys, okay, thank you so much for joining today's live session. All right. I will see you guys in tomorrow's live session, and then also please go through episode 1 and episode 2 of the tutorials that I posted to you guys. Trust me, just based on this episode 1 and episode 2, you already can use them in your trading to actually potentially predict where the market will be moving. It is that powerful, and I broke it down so simple. That's why it's half an hour. But trust me, you guys can start to teach people after that. That is how simple I broke it down. Okay, my trading style, my teaching style basically is I like to break it down to kindergarten. Okay, I want you guys to understand it like kids level. And I don't need to mention all of these big terms over you guys because it's not important to know them, but you need to understand the concept. If you understand the concept, that is how you will understand what to do. If you only learn the big words but you don't know the concept, there's no reason for you to even use that concept in the first place because you don't understand it. What is the matrix behind? Like for example, if you don't understand market structure is like this is how market move. Okay? You just understand the market. We have a bullish one and bearish one. Most probably you think market sorry, like this. This is bullish one. This is bearish one. You would not know the matrix in between. The actually market will always have an impulse and pullback, impulse and pullback. So which one is more important? Obviously understanding the in-depth details about it. And that is exactly what I did. I broke down the in-depth details of episode 1 and 2, basically order blocks and support resistance, so that you guys can already use them in your trading. Alright? If you guys already gone through, so I would love to get your comments and your feedbacks so that I could make the next one even better potentially. Okay? Episode 3 will be coming out very soon, guys. Okay, and once that's out, I'll be informing you guys, especially in my Discord community. If you guys haven't joined yet, please do join. I would love to have you be part of that community. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. There are many more live sessions and live predictions, something like this. You see, we predicted it was going down and it was going down. Okay, just seeing things like this, even though I never enter, I still feel so happy. Okay, I genuinely feel so happy because I genuinely love trading. All right, if you genuinely love trading, you definitely came to the right place. Because my goal is to make sure that I make you become the best trader that you can be. Everything for free. All right. If that sounds interesting, guys, thank you so much for sticking until the end of this live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. If any of you that joining and celebrating Chinese New Year, once again, I would like to wish you guys a very happy Chinese New Year in advance. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next live session. Thank you. Take care and good night, guys. Bye bye.